Number one, when removing and installing your rear bumper, first remove the license plate frame that gives you direct access to the holes for the screws. So this is how it's lining up so far. I'm just doing a test fit for the moment. So I picked up a few items to try to help secure, fasten the rear bumper. I picked up some stronger zip ties. Also, I picked up these for the middle portion to fasten it down. These are for the front. These are for the side skirts. And these are just washers for the rear as well. Now my solution to try to take up some of the slack is to use these as spacers. What I basically just did for the moment was soak them in a little oil because they are wood, and this here will help them to make them a little bit more water resistance until I come up with a final solution as of if I'm going to use washers or not. So I'm working on into the night with this one. I need to at least get this rear situated and set up so I can start doing a wet sand and the primer, as well as putting the side skirts on. So I'm working on through the night with this one. It's early, but I have lost pretty much the sunlight. I have used 3 spacers, one here, one here, and one here, and that has really lifted the drop in the bumper up. That feels like a pretty snug fit. Looks decent on the side. The license plate frame hides the screws under it very well. This is pretty much how it turned out. Don't have the lights in place or the license plate frame bolted in, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it all cleaned up so I can add me a coat of primer on it.